I want to demonstrate a few reasons how they can do that. This is a standard piece of tungsten carbide. This would be a low bid size. This is expensive. These pieces are about $2.50 a piece. So every little bit you can get off makes a difference because there are 12 of these per foot. So if you can save 50 cents a foot, that's $6 a foot, and that can make the difference between winning the bid and low bid. So I wanted you to notice two things. First of all, look at the differences. See the clip corners there? You also see these buttons. Now when you put these buttons together, it isn't a lot, but if I can put carbide in a blade for another 20 cents a piece less, that's $2.40 a foot, it starts adding up, and that's the difference between low bid and high bid. This is just the shape. We can go into more reasons why low bid carbide is low bid.